Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people are known for their frugality, saving the blood from the butchered pigs, chicken, and ducks, and incorporating it into meals. Hakka cooks have created deliciously sour and salty dishes based on blood. Duck blood cake with leek is one of these classic dishes. Duck blood is red, and since red is a lucky color, duck blood is considered lucky as well.
Yo, everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Lin and Leo。又要讲美食了，对不对？
是的。
你知道吗？现在已经冬天到了哈。
对。
我其实很喜欢吃一个东西。回到台湾的时候，我一直以为我不敢吃，可是我吃过了之后就爱上了。尤其现在在麻辣火锅里面常会看到的一个东西。
我知道了。
真的吗？
当然咯，就是阿凤啊。
阿凤，听起来好像是哦，是鸭血哦，是吗？
当然咯，就是叫阿凤啊。
就叫阿凤哦。怎么叫阿凤？凤是血吗？
不是啊，因为呢，血大部分都讲到血都不好
哦。对了，对，听起来
用它的颜色来代替这个。
凤是红色。
对，凤就是红色。
Okay. All right. There's a type of food that I love, and I was very surprised by this when I came back to Taiwan. It's actually the duck blood cake. I know it sounds kind of weird. It sounds like, ew, why should we be eating blood? We're not vampires, are we? But it's really tasty. And what's interesting is that the Hakka has this ingredient too, but they don't call it the duck blood. They actually call it the duck red. Because blood is red, and when you say blood, it just doesn't sound pleasant. 所以叫做阿凤，
就给叫做给凤。
如果是鸡血，给凤 ，OK。
猪血就叫猪凤。
猪血 ，actually, you probably seen this a lot. The pig's blood cake as well, and that would be 猪凤。所以客家菜里面有用到这个鸭血，这个
有阿凤炒快脆。
鸭血快炒，
不是快炒，
不是快炒，那是什么？快脆是什么？
快脆就是韭菜。
韭菜. The leek. All right, so they actually have a dish called the duck blood cake with leek. So let's go ahead and review these terms. A lot of blood right here, okay? First is the duck's blood. It is 鸭血.
阿凤.
Or maybe you want the pig's blood. 猪血. 猪凤. 然后比较少见的是鸡血, which is chicken's blood. 给凤. And don't forget, the popular dish is duck's blood cake along with leek, stir-fried together. Leek, 也就是韭菜.
快脆
and if you stir fry them together, 也就是鸭血炒韭菜.
阿凤炒快脆
That's the entire dish. 阿凤炒快脆. There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.